闪电5连鞭。很多人都怀疑我的英语是靠吹的，说你这样的大叔发音这么不准，还出来教人家说英语，你这个大叔土都埋到脖子上了，还出来显摆，你的英语就是一个烂字。今天我就用一个实际的案例跟大家分享一下实践的英语，实实在在的用在我们日常生活上面的英语是怎么样子的。刚好我是有一个案例，我要安装家里的这个椅子的座板，这里就用到了一些实际日常生活，尤其是木工、维修、家用，就是工具这些单词。这里有6个单词或者7个单词，如果你听得明白，那说明你的英语还是非常 OK 的。那么你在下面这段视频里面，你会听到 replace, hold, seat board, screw, screwdriver, saw, 还有 ju。 如果你能听出这7个英文单词，那说明你的英语水平已经超过了我了。Today I want to teach you how to replace the chair seat board. There is one set of dining table with 4 chairs in my dining room. The quality looks okay, but if you can see this seat board with a real wooden board here. You can see if the poor quality already broken. Then we can recognize this is not the real wood. That's why it's use a few years is broken. Today I want to share with you how to replace this ugly low quality seat board and replace to a new one. Follow me. I bought the new one, totally 6 pieces from Taobao. Each piece costs 36 RMB. Now, this is a real wooden board, original wood, real wood. So I want to replace that ugly fade one. First, we have to take this 6 ball, the old one, off. We use a screwdriver. They have a totally 4 screwdriver here in the 4 corner. So I want to take it off. Now we can see what happened after we took the 4 screw off. I'll show you. This is replaceable. See? This is 4 screw hold. This one we want to replace by this new one. You see? Wow. But we found a problem here. You see? Here cannot fit in. Before it's like this. At the corner, it can fit to the armchair here. Now, so I need to cut this part exactly as same as the old one, like the old one. So we continue. So I want to copy the old one, the same construct. And I need the help of the saw. Now we need to use a electric drill, make a hole for the screw. And finally, we put the screw back. Okay, finish. Okay, today we already see how to repair this old seat back and make a new one. Now this chair already totally make a new nice one, real wood seat ball. Okay, this is Judge Chan. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.